Hey everybody, it's Brian Lessinger here with the Lessinger team at Remax Realty Affiliates. We'd like to welcome you to today's video blog. And today's topic is going to be about leadership and a few examples of why it is so important. All right, so today's topic is about leadership, and I'm going to explain to you why I'm talking about that today. For those of you who didn't know, we had a few people on our team last year. One retired, one no longer works with us. So we literally just hired a new employee. And by the time you see this video, she'll probably only been here for a couple of weeks. And the reason why it is so important to lead, whether you lead a sports team, a work team, any kind of position that you might be in that has a leadership position, you want to be a positive person. For those of you guys that know me and have been around me, we have this kind of joke in our own family that we call it CP, which is chronically positive. And for those, again, that have been around me, know, for the most part, most of the time, I'm usually a pretty upbeat, positive person, whether we're talking about the real estate market or just my family, my kids, just anything in general. So some examples of why this is so important. For those of you that know my son, he just finished his third year playing college basketball. And honestly, he's done. He is giving up his scholarship. He's giving up his basketball career because of the fact that he's been in an environment where it's been really negative. The leadership hasn't been real fantastic. And between that, some injuries, he's just decided it's time for him to move on, start working, finish up his college degree, and go from there. So leadership for him ended up being kind of not the greatest example. For me and my team, it's funny, I've been trying to have Robin, which you guys all know, put her more in a leadership position. So the person we just hired, she pretty much did the whole interview processing, bringing people in, doing all that stuff. And literally, I only met the last two candidates, and then we decided to hire one of them. So for those of you that are out there that are in a leadership position, whether say you're coaching little kids or it's a work team, there's an author that I really like. His name is John Gordon. It's JON GORDAN. There's a couple of books I highly recommend. I literally have my kids read all these books as well, all the books I always recommend to you guys, but there's two of them. One's about a 10, 11-year-old book that I'm literally reading again called The Energy Bus, again, written by John Gordon. And the event that I go to the first week of May, he's actually going to be speaking at the event that I go to. And then there's a second book that I recently just read. I think it's about a 2-year-old book, and it's called The Power of Positive Leadership. And I think for those of you guys that might be struggling in these positions or struggling in a leadership position, trying to figure out what to do as you lead teams and people, I think they're really great resources and really great books. And for those of you that have either already read them or want a copy of them that maybe for whatever reason couldn't afford them, call me. I happily would give you a copy of those books and would be happy to discuss and talk to you about those type of topics, because I'd like to think that I'm a good leader and always improving in that area. So again, a little different topic than our normal real estate related things. But again, if you need information regarding being a leader or of course our usual real estate buying and selling things, by all means, give us a call, reply to this email. We'd love to hear from you, and hopefully we'll see you guys very soon. Have a great day, and reach out anytime. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.